Well, they have some little cones on it. See, people, they have some cones on it. You have to be careful or you think I'll be saying, ow! It's not very hot. Is it on?
Is the red light on?
Yep.
It's supposed to be 400 degrees. You might gotta go super slow like you wanted to go with your straightener.
Turn it around.
Turn what around?
Turn yourself
Which way?
to the camera. Okay. This is the issue. This is the hair. This is the curling iron.
Ow!
It's a weapon. It's not hot. It doesn't feel like it's heating at all.
It feels like you're killing my head.
It's not hot. It's not straightening it.
Let me see.
Is it on?
It's on.
Look, people.
It's not doing nothing.
Look, people. Look. 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 How long has it been on?
Wow, because we did Alexa's hair.
I really want to give a good review, but it's hard to. See? This is 400 degrees. This is, turn your head. This is the wavy hair. And you have these things here. And we are putting it in. I'm going slow. And it's just not happening. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I'm going to pass it again. And you be the judge. Well, it's not hot. And like, see, it's still wavy. This is now my 3rd time on the same strand of hair. I'm trying. People, I'm trying very hard. I'm trying. Well, okay. So this is number 3. You can touch the hair. It's not hot. You can put your fingers on here and look. Look, people. So this Kiloline here.
Try the curl under, see what it does. Curl it on the top.
Okay, let's see. Curl it under.
No, like with the top. It's a brush. It's supposed to be a hot brush.
Like this?
No, 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 no. You're gonna get my hair going. No, no, no. It's just like a brush. You curl it under. You curl it under.
It's not hot enough. See, look. Okay. Okay. See, this is the problem.
Look, though, it looks
Look.
like you did a little curl.
It's on.
Try it.
Let's try. In all fairness, let's try.
I think it's not that great. And I paid for it. I didn't pay out full price for it, thank God. 'Cause
Okay,
I would have been
people.
crying.
So let me tell you. I'm sorry. I
Wait,
tried.
hold on. No, it's on. Look, the light is on.
We tried to give it a very good review, but like when you can do this, no, see the lights
400
on.
degrees.
400 degrees. Well, sad to say.
And this is 400 degrees touching it.
Now, look, people. Let's see. The light's on. Show the lights on. See? Look at this.
400 degrees.
So, sorry.
Let's show you something interesting. Maybe make the video a little interesting. Look at my ring. And look at my wedding ring. You want to show your wedding ring?
I don't have it on. I have to be very careful because my diamonds fall off. Did I tell you I've lost 3 diamonds in it? Beautiful band. But you know what? I'm going to go get it for y'all.
Yeah, we're going to make this video interesting. Because obviously this thing stinks. The monkey would. I can't give you a good review. I'm sorry. I like to give good reviews. But I can't lie to people. I'm not a liar. I don't like liars. I despise liars. So I'm not going to lie to you.
Oh,
Yeah, just
see?
look at our bling.
Yeah.
And look at my pretty glitter tattoos.
Yes. 11-year-old put it on her.
Yeah.
So, y'all, toodaloo. Be careful. See all them diamonds? I'll give you another hint.
And don't buy this.
When they pop off, it's like $200 for each diamond. So keep that in mind when you're shopping.
Don't buy it.
It's a dud.
It's a pooper. In my eyeball.
Bye.
Bye. It's starting to look better.